Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, this is the second day of Gatlinburg trip and today I am in Believe It or Not. लास्ट डे मैंने स्काई लिफ्ट एंड गैटलिनबर्ग स्ट्रीट कवर किया था. आपने अगर मेरा लास्ट डे का वीडियो नहीं देखा है देन वॉच दैट वीडियो. यू विल फाइंड लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. आई एम इन द म्यूजियम. लेट्स गो इनसाइड एक्सप्लोर व्हाट्स इन द म्यूजियम.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
मुझे अपने बचपन के दिन याद आ रहे हैं. इन माई चाइल्डहुड मैं ऐसी जगह पे बहुत इंजॉय करता था. आफ्टर लॉन्ग आई एम इंजॉइंग द सेम.
Went around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't know, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
This is where my friend is looking for his date.
Don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now.
It's the time to rocking party. Let's enjoy.
You say you wanna try, but you never do.
अच्छा मुझे गाना है, कैसे जगा सकते हैं, बटन नहीं है।
For hundreds of years, the Shuar have lived deep in the Amazon jungle. When they were discovered, they were wearing what appears to be miniature heads. They called them sansas. The rest of the world called them shrunken heads. I have traveled to over 200 countries, but in South America I was introduced to something both deeply disturbing and fascinating. A friend told me of a German scientist who ventured into the land of the Shuar in hopes of learning their secrets. 6 months later, a shrunken head with a red beard and white hair offered for sale. The shrinking of human heads is ancient life.
Why we lose.
These candies are made up of insects. I have never seen these kind of candies in my life yet. I'm not going to try this.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
बिलीव इट और नॉट, मैंने पूरा कवर कर लिया है। मैं अभी गैटलिनबर्ग स्ट्रीट पे हूँ। देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अट्रैक्शंस ऑन द स्ट्रीट टू। I am going to end this video here only. If you like the content, subscribe the channel and like, share, comment. And stay tuned for the next video where I am going to cover famous moonshine brewery tour, where I am going to take a whiskey tasting tour. Thank you for watching the video.